Welcome to FoxKit Tutorials by FoxEcom. Did you know gamified features can boost conversions by up to 40% and triple email signups? In this video, we'll show you how to set up a lucky wheel on your Shopify store using FoxKit. Whether you're aiming to boost conversions, grow your email list, or simply create a fun and engaging shopping experience, this feature is designed to help you achieve it all. Let's dive in. To activate the lucky wheel, toggle the status to active. You can choose whether to display this feature on mobile devices. In the limitation setting, you can decide if one email can spin the wheel multiple times or just once. This gives you control over how often visitors can use the feature. Now, let's add some content to make the lucky wheel engaging by giving it a title, subtitle, and a call to action button. You can customize the fields displayed on your lucky wheel to gather essential information about your customers. Use these fields to collect valuable insights that can enhance your understanding of their needs. After a customer wins, they'll see the win screen. Add a catchy title like "Winner Winner Chicken Dinner" and a personalized message like "You win a." For a smoother experience, check the box to auto-apply coupon on checkout page. You can also customize the coupon card with labels and notes to guide customers on using their discount code. Next, decide where to store your subscribers. You can save them in the Shopify customers list or the FoxKit subscriber. This makes it easy to use the data for future email marketing campaigns.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with stunning and high-converting templates of any page type. Create and use customizable Foxify sections anywhere on your page, anywhere in your store. Translate your pages to multiple languages instantly right in Foxify. Ensure your pages are performing at their best by receiving data about your customers. Grow massive sales without using third-party apps. And create pages that convert with advanced tools. It's not just the tool. FoxEcom team is behind it all. Your success is our priority. Foxify, build right, win high.
Let's get back to setting up our lucky wheel in FoxKit. It's time to set up the prizes. In the prizes list, you can add multiple rewards like 20% off, free shipping, or a no-luck segment to keep things exciting. Make sure to add the corresponding discount codes in the discount code fields. You can also adjust the color of each prize segment to align with your brand and set the chance to win percentages to control how often each prize is won. Next, let's customize the design. In the Design tab, you can adjust the colors for the text, pop-up background, field backgrounds, button, and coupon card to match your store's branding. This ensures a seamless look for your customers. Finally, let's set up the display settings to control how and when the lucky wheel appears on your store. In Trigger Open Automatically, you can choose to show the wheel right after the page loads. This option is perfect for grabbing attention the moment someone visits your store. After a specific amount of time, to give visitor a moment to browse before surprising them with a chance to win. After visitors scroll down the page, by waiting until someone scrolls, you're ensuring they're already exploring your store and showing interest. It's less disruptive and feels like a natural reward for their curiosity. Or set the lucky wheel to pop when someone is about to leave the website when browsing on desktop. This is the classic "don't leave just yet" move. Perfect for reducing bounce rates and turning an abandoned session into a potential sale. In this example, let's select "after scrolling down" to engage visitors who've shown interest in browsing. You can also set how often the lucky wheel should reappear. For instance, every 5 minutes for those who haven't converted yet. Next, choose where to display the wheel on all pages, just the home page, or specific custom pages. And lastly, enable the teaser button so visitors can access the lucky wheel anytime. You can customize the button's behavior, position, and title. Once you've set everything to your liking, click Save, and the lucky wheel is ready to dazzle your customers with exciting offers. And that's it. You've successfully set up the lucky wheel in FoxKit app. Watch as it helps you engage visitors, grow your email list, and boost sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce and sales tips. Install FoxKit today to create engaging experiences like the lucky wheel, boost conversions with upsells, and maximize sales with cross-sells. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with FoxKit.